Packing to go on a vacation or a long trip can be a daunting experience. And overpacking is a common mistake that we all make. Welcome back to my channel. And in this episode, we're going to pack our bag for a trip to Ireland. It is difficult to pack your bag, but I really like the less is more approach. And there's only one way I can do that successfully. List. Then I don't overpack, which is a common mistake that we all make. I'm going to show you today how you can pack in one carry-on and one small satchel.
Finding the right bag can always be a difficult challenge, but this bag is great. It's got straps for a backpack, and when you flip it over, it's got two openings. One in the top with lots of little pockets and space for things you might need as you reach up when you're on the airplane, and this big open space inside. I'm a runner, so I'm going to take my running shoes. Of course, my second pair of socks and a second sports bra. I always pack an extra tank top and a short sleeve sweater and my favorite long sleeve t-shirt. I'm going to take a pair of shorts and my running gear, nice lightweight polyester. My leggings, my favorite leggings with lots of pockets, and my favorite pair of jeans. I never go anywhere without my fingerless gloves and my favorite hat, and a nice dress shirt in case we end up going to a nice dinner. These laundry packets are great, and I'll put a link to them below. My makeup bag and cosmetics. Of course, my gear so I can do my video blogging. Can't go anywhere without that, otherwise I wouldn't be able to make these great movies. My European charger. And look, I still have plenty of room. In the top, in case I need to get easy access, I'm going to put my laptop, my favorite travel scarf, and a sweater in case I need it. I'm going to buckle it up so the straps don't get caught on anything. And just like that, my bag is packed.
So you're probably wondering, how does a travel blogger travel so light? Well, I have a secret and I'm going to share it with you. The first thing I do, once I get my bag packed, I don't repack it. I don't add to it. I stick with what I have. Here's my philosophy. If I get to somewhere where I'm going and I don't have something, I'll just go buy it. But in all honesty, that's something I never really had to do. But one thing I do, and this is important, is I travel in a layered system. So I have my lightweight black jeans. They're easy to wash. They're made of polyester and cotton. It means I can wash them in a sink if I need to. I always wear a tank top underneath, a long sleeve shirt, or in this case, a really lightweight sweater. I put on my vest because once again, remember, I'm layering. And on the plane, I can take things off. I can put them back on. I'm always cold on the plane. On my trip to Ireland, one thing was really important, and getting the right equipment to travel and deal with the elements. The number one thing I needed to get was a raincoat, but I didn't want a plastic raincoat. I wanted something that was stylish, repelled water, was lightweight, and if I needed to layer a long sleeve under my sweater, I could. I found this really great water repelling raincoat from New Balance. It's from New Balance. I love this coat because in the back it has a zipper to open it up if I'm hiking or walking. Has a hood, of course. It fit me well. Okay, it wasn't too big, it wasn't too small. Had a double zip system so I could zip from the bottom or zip from the top. And of course, a hood that I could pull up if it was raining. So as I told you, we were going to pack 2 bags. My backpack carry-on with wheels and a satchel. Well, here is my satchel. It's really just my crossbody, purse, bag, whatever. I love this bag. It's got 2 pockets. One for my phone and credit cards in the front, and one for whatever I needed in the back. My passport, things that are really important. Things I'm going to carry with me every day. I'm never going to leave any of this stuff in the hotel room or in the Airbnb. I'm always going to carry this bag with me. So I want something that's lightweight, I can put on to carry in front of me, or put on to carry behind me, and could easily be concealed under my jacket. This is exactly what I wore almost every day in Ireland and on the plane. Now, let's talk about the bag I carry, because this bag is an exceptional bag, and I've seen a lot of models, expensive models. This one is fairly reasonably priced. I think it's about $79, $80. Or take it off, unzip the handle area, and pull it like a suitcase. Now, to me, anything that's dual action is perfect for traveling around the globe. Packing made simple. So let's talk about my favorite accessory or item that I took on this trip. They're lightweight. They're made by Blowfish. They have a double zip system in the back, easy to get on and off. They have a man-made upper, so they repelled water, and they're lightweight. So the bottoms are rubber, not heavy. These boots were my best friends on my trip to Europe.